Tennant has been focused on stewardship and sustainability as part of our company values for a long time, and I think if you think of our innovations in EC Water, where we actually are able to forego using chemicals and we can create a clean solution within activated water. I can think of Orbio, which is our on-site generation chemical solution that we provide that's very sustainable and that completely eliminates the need for many chemicals that you would use in your facility.
We've been using the Orbio cleaner. It really cleans it well. It actually makes the color brighter. It dries faster. It's chemical free. It takes all your dirt out. It really does a nice job. But we love our Tennant products. They're the Cadillacs.
Portable dispensing unit, and it's just gaining traction now. In addition to the satellite system, we've got the ability for the customer to take these concentrates, which are filled at the generator, and actually bring those to any location in the facility. It's just another way to extend the usage of the product and gain more value, and utilize it throughout the facility at a much reduced cost.
Our customers had a lot of success with Iris in the fact that they've never had visibility into how and when their equipment's being used. So Iris has been serving as kind of an ROI calculator for that as well.
I would discuss it in terms of fleet management, how we can add value in reducing the operational costs of our equipment. It's a very professional differentiator. It definitely brings value to all the end users and distributors.